Is the number 7128 divisible by 6? A number is divisible by 6 if it's divisible by 2, that is, it's even, and it's divisible by 3. So let's apply that rule to this number. As we can see, 7128 is even, so it's divisible by 2. Now let's check if it's divisible by 3. The sum of its digits, that is 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 8 equals 18. 3 goes in 18 6 times with no remainder. So as we can see, 18 is divisible by 3, implying that 7128 is also divisible by 3. Since 7128 is even and divisible by 3, according to the rule, it is also divisible by 6. Now let's check if this is really the case. Six goes in 7 once with a remainder of 1. We bring down the 1 to get 11. 6 goes in 11 once with a remainder of 5. We bring down the 2 to get 52. 6 goes in 52 8 times with a remainder of 4. We bring down the 8 to get 48. 6 goes in 48 8 times with no remainder.
This shows that the rule of divisibility of 6 is fulfilled.
Now let's try another example. Is the number 16,833 divisible by 6? As we can see, this is an odd number, meaning it is not divisible by 2. So no, this number cannot be divisible by 6 either, according to the rule of divisibility
of 6.
Now let's move on to the next example. Is the number 529,074 divisible by 6? As we can see, the number is even, so it's divisible by 2. Now let's check if it's divisible by 3. The sum of its digits, that is 5 plus 2 plus 9 plus 0 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to 27. 3 goes in 27 9 times with no remainder. So according to the rule of divisibility of 3, this number is divisible by 3. Since the number is divisible by both 3 and 2, it is also divisible by 6.
You can verify if this is true on your own.
Let's try another example. Is the number 121,002 divisible by 6? As we can see, the number is even, so it's divisible by 2. The sum of its digits, that is 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is equal to 6. 3 goes in 6 twice with no remainder. So according to the rule of divisibility of 3, the number 121,002 is divisible by 3. Since the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it's also divisible by 6. You can verify this by dividing the number 121,002 by 6. Now let's try another question. Is the number 34,502 divisible by 6? As we can see, the number is even, so it's divisible by 2. Now let's check if it's divisible by 3. The sum of its digits, that is 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 2 is 14. 3 goes in 14 4 times with a remainder of 2. As per the rule of divisibility of 3, since 14 is not divisible by 3, then the number 34,502 is also not divisible by 3.
This shows that it doesn't satisfy the rule of divisibility of 6.